So good morning, everyone. Hello, traders. How are you? Welcome back to the Simple Forex setup show. I'm going to go through 10 currency pairs on a 4-hour chart. So here I go, sharing the screen. All right. The first currency pair I'm going to look at is Euro AUD. So I entered that trade yesterday. If you're on my Simple Forex Setup Telegram group, then you would have got that notice. I'm looking at long on this one, just above that 1.57 horizontal level. So looking for long. On the daily, we had that little bit of a pullback to the line, which looked good. So on the 4-hourly, I got in just at that level after that dip at the 1.57. So I just got in a little bit above, stop loss away from the low, and those are the target profit levels. At the moment, still hovering around the entry, so still in on that one. The next currency pair I'm looking at is USD JPY. The USD JPY, I entered that last week, so you might have also entered at that time if you're following along. Got up to TP1. I took a bit of profit at that time, so I'm still in at a lower risk now, and still holding that position and looking for long on that. I'm just checking questions, sorry. Recording. Oh, okay, no recording. I have to ask if you could post it on Telegram or here. Yep, all the entries are on the Telegram group. You can scroll back, you'll see one from yesterday. I don't think Euro GBP and native figure. Okay. Yeah, this one is definitely there. Let me check after the show. I'll double check. I'm pretty sure I posted the Euro AUD as well. Okay, let me see. So this one still in. Next currency pair I'm going to have a look at is Euro JPY. So this is a trade from last month. Still in. The trailing stop is just at this level. So we're still in on that one. And still looking for it to go further up to that next horizontal level. So holding that position at the moment to see if it goes to there. That's what it looks like on the daily. Had a little bit of a pullback, and now we're looking for price to move higher, possibly. So on the 4-hourly, we had some reversal there, so hopefully it'll go up. Otherwise, our trailing stop is just below there. Next currency pair I'm going to have a look at is GBP CAD. So this currency pair I'm looking for a short. So looking for a short to go down from that horizontal level at 1.72. This is the weekly. So on a weekly, we had bearish engulfing at that level, but it wasn't a very convincing one. Let's have a look. And D1, we're still going sideways in that little range there. So still looking for some kind of retest of that 1.72 and looking for a short. So on the 4-hourly, I'm quite happy with the price where it is in terms of the level, my entry zone around this area. So any price reversal in this area, I'm looking for a short. Let me just check questions. Euro JPY. Let me have a look. Euro JPY. If you want to get back in. Possibly. I don't usually do the entry at that level, but if you wanted to get in, you could get in you know, any time now with the stop loss at where the trailing stop is at the moment. I think that would be okay for a one to one and 1 to 2 profit, and then yeah, see if it goes up. It is pretty good to get in at this level. So yes, if you want to re-enter that trade, that is a possibility. Okay, so the next currency pair I'm going to have a look at is Euro GBP. Euro GBP, I'm looking for a long. I'm looking for a long in this range between the 0.85 and 0.90. So on the daily, we're just going sideways at the moment. So I need a pullback down to the bottoms here. But anywhere where there is a good price reversal around this area, I would be looking for a long. Back up to this first horizontal level and then further if it keeps going. Next currency pair I'm looking at is AUD-USD. So AUD-USD, I'm still looking for a long. It is being rejected at that level. So probably looking at reduced risk on this one. The weekly is just at the bottom of the channel, and hence I'm still looking for a long at this stage until there is a proper breakout. So here we had a little dip, a little taster underneath, but yeah, at this stage still looking for a long. So let's see how that plays out. So if the price would pull back further down, I would be looking for a long if there is a reversal. If not, then it might keep going further down. So we need to see how that plays out. So take a bit of caution, maybe a little bit less risk on this trade if there is any potential setup there. Next currency pair I'm looking at is GBP-JPY. So on GBP-JPY, I'm looking for a long. It is very close to that horizontal level. So I'm not that keen to take a trade at that level, probably very small risk. There is still room for maybe 1 to 2 before the horizontal. So yeah, you can look at taking along on that currency pair. The next currency pair is GBP-USD. So this I'm looking for a long. Again, this one is quite close to the horizontal. This one is at 1.43. So caution, as there might be not much room in terms of the H4 setup. I'm looking for quite a big pullback all the way down to the channel there. before looking for entry. So at this stage, I'm not looking to enter at all. Next currency pair I'm going to look at is Euro USD. So Euro USD, I'm still looking for a long. I was in this trade and got out last week. I think it was. So I'm looking for a pullback down to this horizontal level, 1.20. So it was going up nicely, had a bit of a reversal there. So I'm looking for a further movement down, and then looking for a reversal at that level to get in again for a long. And the last currency pair I'm going to have a look at is USD CAD. This one I'm looking for a short. I'm looking for a short of that 1.25. So I'm looking for really some kind of pullback up to this area or to the top of the channel to take the trade further down. So at the moment it's going sideways. So looking for any pullback up to here or up to that level there on top of the channel, or even as far as the horizontal line, and see how that goes. So these are that's the analysis for this morning. If you have any questions, pop it in the chat. Otherwise, you can follow me on the Telegram group for any updates on the trades and trade management. So let me just check the chat. Yeah, okay, didn't take the CAD and GBP. Back, yeah, excellent. Would it be good to see you again at 1 p.m. All right, so thank you very much. I'll be back again live at 1 p.m. Singapore time. So I hope to see you then. All the best. Bye.